the flavor?
The,
What's the flavor of your ice cream?
yummy. The favorite so yummy.
This one tastes like what?
Hello. Ako.
Can you show your fingernails? Manicure?
My hair.
What's your new hair? Haircut.
It's haircut.
But daddy?
That's none.
Why?
Mm.
So big. That is what?
Boy.
It's the haircut of daddy.
Kalbo. That's what boy haircut.
What do you call that one? So many. Slowly lang. What's your flavor of ice cream? Does it say? What's the flavor of your ice cream?
This one.
Are you read?
Cookie.
And
Green.
how about that? That is ice cream is
Milk.
malt and
Malted milk.
tastes like.
Milo.
You like it?
Yeah.
You want to try again?
No.
I'll give you.
Wow.
Here. Ah, so big, oh. Say bye-bye to them.
Bye bye.